Hello everyone, in this video we would like to explain about logic and sense relation and get the start.
The background of the research mentioned in the article is related to the study of sense and sense relations in the field of linguistics. The article discusses various semantic terms and their pair meanings such as sense and meaning and reverse, conceptual and associative meaning, significant and signification, and from and meaning. The article also mentioned the debate between proponents of a purely formal approach that exclude meaning from grammatical analysis and those who really interlining on meaning when explaining grammatical items. Additionally, the traditional view of the relation between the terms meaning, word, from, and referred is discussed in the context of the triangle of significance or the semantic triangle. The article discusses specific research problems related to sense and sense relation in the realm of meaning. It addresses the complex semantics issue that arise when dealing with sense relationship and emphasizes the need to linguistically handle this issue. The paper also highlights the tendency for people to mix non-linguistic aspects into the semantic dominant and the importance of understanding the various semantic aspects that occur in specific contexts. Additionally, it delves into the problem posed by hyponymously relational nouns, such as their implication and structure, and the challenge they present in terms of polysemy, hyponymy, presence, symmetry, and convergence. The main focus of the research discussed in the article is to explore the concept of sense and sense relationship in the realm of cognitive meaning. The researcher aims to dispel confusion about the term sense by precisely defining what it means and how sense relations operate. The article delves into the linguistic awareness of the term sense at its place in a system of relationship with others words in the vocabulary. It also discussed the differentiation between sense relation and denotation related lexemes, shedding light on the relationship holding between vocabulary items without perception about the extensions of objects and properties outside the vocabulary of the language.
What is the method? The article discusses the method of class logic in relation to sense and sense relations. It explores the various implications and application of this method within the field of linguistics and language teaching. The author delves into the conditions necessary for the application of the term synonym and provides an in-depth analysis of the different implications of the rules of categories and their significance in linguistic analysis. The article also touches upon the debate between proponents of formal approaches and those who rely on meaning when explaining grammatical items, shedding light on the triangle of significance and its traditional representation of the relation between meaning, word, form, and referent. How does the researcher get the data? The article discusses the linguistic exploration of various sense relationships that hold between lexical items. It categorically reveals itself in terms of synonymy, antonymy, homonymy, hyponymy, polysemy, and color terms. The system of these relationships is explored the established sense as an important category within the domain of conceptual or cognitive meaning. How does the researcher analyzes the data? The text analyzes the data by discussing various sense relations and their implications. It delves into the debate between exponents of exclusions in terms of form versus meaning, and those who rely entirely on meaning when explaining grammatical items. The paper also explores the triangle of significance and the traditional view of the relation between the terms of meaning, word, form, and reference. Additionally, it discusses homonymy, synonymy, and the sense relationship of hyponymy, highlighting their problems of implication and structure. The analysis emphasizes the interaction and intersections of sense relationships to produce interpretations peculiar to the context in which they occur.
Who are the participants? The material class, logis, sense, and sense relation is addressed to individuals interested in the study of semantics and language, particularly those interested in delving into the semantic field to establish sense as an important category within the domain of conceptual or cognitive meaning. It is intended for readers who are interested in exploring the complex semantics issues related to sense and sense relationship and who may be seeking a linguistic treatment of refined semantic aspects. Whose theory are applied? The article are applied the theory of several linguists, including Pollinger, Leach, Robbins, Halliday, McLeod, Stephens, Hockett, Langaker, Langdon, and Lessons. These linguists have contributed to study of semantics, syntax, and linguistic categorization, which are relevant to the topic of sense and sense relation discussed in the article. How does she apply the theory? Page 4, Bollinger defines the condition necessary for the application of the term. Page 4, Leach, who tries to illustrate the different implication of the rules. Page 20, Halliday, M.A.K., Aegis, McLeod, and Peter Stephens, The Linguistic Science and Language Teaching. Page 12, Hockett, Carlos F. A. Course in Modern Linguistics. Page 12, Langaker, Roland W. Language and its structure, some fundamental linguistic concepts. Page 12, Langdon, Deterrence, Essential of English Grammar. Page 12, Lessons, Jones, Introduction to Theoretical Linguistics.
The article highlights the complexity of sense and sense relationship in language, highlighting how people often misinterpret non-linguistic aspects as linguistic. It emphasizes the sense relationship interact and intersect, producing interpretation unique to the context. The article also discussed the sense relation of hyponymy, which pose implication and the structure problems. Although the pedagogical value of sense is limited, it is increasingly relevant to lexicography and curriculum designer. The article's importance lies in its ability to handle refined semantic aspects. In our conclusion, this article explored the relationship between meaning and science in linguistics, focusing on synonymy, antonymy, homonymy, and context-dependent meaning. It highlights the complexity of meaning relation in language, emphasizing the importance of understanding linguistic context. And the last, in our opinion, in this article emphasizes the importance of semantic concepts such as synonymy, antonymy, homonymy, hyponymy, polysemy and color terms in language analysis. The article also emphasized the benefit of a linguistic approach to understanding semantic, highlighting its complexity in understanding meaning formation and interaction in everyday language.